we're talking about home improvement projects. You know, a lot of people are saying, well, with interest rates the way they are, Randy and Lee, we're just going to stay home until things start getting a little bit better and more homes come on the market. So they're thinking about doing some home improvements. Well, be careful on the improvements that you're going to think about making. Zillow did some research, and there's a remodeling cost versus value report in 2023. And Zillow looked into some of the features, and according to Zillow research, into paint color, for example, preference of home buyers, a white kitchen can actually hurt a home sales price by more than $600. Instead, buyers prefer, now I'm not sure I agree with this, they prefer, you want to take a guess, Randy, Lee, what color?
Yellow.
Okay, Randy?
I will do yellow.
Okay, well, gee, he's going to make sure he doesn't lose here. I got that strategy. Lee, whatever you say, he's just going to copy, right? Yeah. No, Zillow is saying that buyers prefer dark gray tones, such as charcoal and graphite.
No.
Not from my perspective, but okay, that's Zillow. Adding a walk-in closet, Zillow's research into home listings show that a walk-in closet can hurt a home's value by 7.7%, a relatively small amount, but an indication that it might not be worth the cost to add space where you can see all your clothes. I'm not quite sure I'd buy it, but I'm just the purveyor of this information. The addition of a deck can open up all sorts of opportunities for entertaining, or it can serve as something of an outdoor room, but decks don't pay for themselves at the time of sale. According to Remodeling 23 Cost versus Value report, a wood deck costs about $17,000, but the home improvement does not add value overall. It only adds $8,553 at the time of sale, a return about half of what you spend. The cost is even higher for composite materials. You know, the composite stuff, it's under a 40% return. And then turning your garage into a bedroom, okay, surveyed by Zillow, folks for Consumer Housing Trend Reports have consistently said they want a place to park their car. So by removing the garage and making it into a bedroom, it could eliminate some potential buyers and hence affect the price that you would get when you try to sell. By the way, one more thing, an in-ground pool can set you back $23,000 or more. $23,000 seems like it's relatively inexpensive if you think about it. Mm-hmm. According to home services website Thumbtack, didn't even know that existed, which calculated the national average cost of installing a pool over the last 4 years, adding in fence and landscaping, and you're looking at an investment of nearly $30,000. But if you're a pool person, you know, I've said that people will beat a path to your door if you have a pool at this time of the year, especially into the August where you're able to use the pool.